Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the object you want to shade. Make sure it has a fill, not just a stroke. Open the Gradient panel and switch to Freeform Gradient. This changes the UI to color points. Click inside the shape to place your first color node and use the eyedropper or color panel to pick a hue. Once placed, add a few more points where light and shadow should fall so you can control transitions precisely. Next, you refine how the colors blend. Switch to the Freeform Gradient tool and drag existing points to reposition highlights and shadows. Click to add more points. Alt-click, Option-click, a point to remove it when it's unnecessary. For each node, pick color and set opacity so subtle overlap creates depth. Make sure to toggle between color and point modes if needed, and drag the Bezier handles to soften hard edges for realistic gradation. To finish, zoom to 100% and inspect the gradation. Make final tweaks to point positions and opacities until the transition reads naturally. Save the gradient as a swatch if you'll reuse it, or use Object Expand Appearance to convert it into editable vector shapes for exporting. If the effect looks wrong, make sure the object has a fill, not just a stroke. Check stacking order and GPU preview settings, and confirm points aren't fully transparent, which can hide intended colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.